My name is Alex. I'm with Tongding Machinery. This is our best syrup equipment. It's a simple dry motor mixer production line. Now I will introduce how the work begins. First, this is a feeding port. You can feed the material here. And about additive, you can put it here or from the top of the main mixer. After you feeding the material, the screw conveyor will convey the material onwards and into the main mixer. The mixer is a blend mixer. It will push the material from this side to this side, and now from this side to this side. One batch is average 3 to 5 minutes. After the mixing is finished, open this butterfly valve. Please check this lever. Now the finished material will be conveyed by this second screw conveyor to the finished product silo. And this silo is a special design. It's very easy for discharging. And we have this small hole for cleaning. At last, open this butterfly valve. The finished product will get into the auto bagging machine. At last, bagging. Thank you everyone for your attention. This is Alex. Welcome to our company, Tongding Machinery.